Walking is a simple yet powerful way to achieve fat loss and improve overall health. Have you ever considered how something as effortless as putting one foot in front of the other could lead to significant changes in your body? In this article, we'll explore the transformative benefits of walking for fat loss and body recomposition. From burning calories to boosting mood, walking offers a plethora of advantages. So, why not lace up your shoes and join the millions who have embraced walking as their path to a healthier, fitter self? Let's do it. Make sure to stay until the end to find out all the best information, and remember, at Beyond Living, we provide the best information and actionable and functional guides for all facets of healthy living, vitality, and fitness. Also, check out the awesome products that are running exclusive, limited time deals just for our viewers here at Beyond Living in the description and in the top pinned comments that we recommend for all our viewers for vitality, healthy living, and fitness. Like, comment, and subscribe as it greatly helps the channel. So let's talk understanding body recomposition. In the journey towards a healthier body, understanding the concept of body recomposition is crucial. Unlike traditional fat loss approaches that focus solely on shedding pounds, body recomposition involves reshaping your body by simultaneously reducing fat and increasing muscle mass. This holistic approach not only improves your appearance but also enhances overall health and fitness. Picture your body as a dynamic landscape where fat and muscle coexist. Traditional weight loss methods often result in muscle loss along with fat, leading to a less toned physique and decreased metabolism. Body recomposition, on the other hand, aims to preserve or even increase muscle mass while reducing fat stores, resulting in a leaner, more sculpted appearance. Achieving body recomposition requires a combination of targeted exercise and proper nutrition. Strength training exercises help build and maintain muscle mass, while cardiovascular activities like walking aid in fat loss and improve heart health. By incorporating both into your routine, you create a synergistic effect that maximizes results. Moreover, body recomposition is not just about aesthetics, it's about improving overall well-being. Increasing muscle mass enhances metabolic function, leading to better insulin sensitivity and reduced risk of chronic diseases like diabetes and heart disease. Additionally, a leaner body composition can boost confidence, energy levels, and quality of life. In essence, body recomposition is a transformative journey that goes beyond the number on the scale. It's about reshaping your body composition to optimize health and vitality. By understanding and embracing this concept, you can embark on a path towards a stronger, leaner, and more vibrant self. So, are you ready to redefine your body and transform your life through body recomposition? Let's try it. Now we discuss the star of the video, the power of walking. Walking is often underestimated as a form of exercise, yet its benefits for fat loss and overall health are profound. It's a simple, low-impact activity that almost anyone can do, regardless of age or fitness level. Let's uncover the transformative power of walking and why it's a game-changer for fat loss and body recomposition. Firstly, walking is an effective way to burn calories. While it may not feel as intense as other workouts, the cumulative effect of regular walking can lead to significant calorie expenditure over time. Plus, it's sustainable, making it easier to stick with in the long run compared to more rigorous exercises. Another advantage of walking is its gentle impact on the joints. Unlike high-impact activities like running or jumping, walking puts minimal stress on your knees, hips, and ankles, reducing the risk of injury and making it suitable for people of all fitness levels, including those recovering from injuries. Scientific research also supports the effectiveness of walking for fat loss. Studies have shown that brisk walking can boost metabolism, increase fat oxidation, and improve body composition. Plus, walking outdoors exposes you to fresh air and nature, which can enhance mood and reduce stress levels. Moreover, walking isn't just about physical health. It's also beneficial for mental and emotional well-being. Taking a stroll can clear your mind, boost creativity, and alleviate symptoms of anxiety and depression. It's a simple yet powerful way to improve overall quality of life. In essence, walking is a versatile and accessible tool for achieving fat loss and body recomposition. Whether you prefer a leisurely stroll in the park or a brisk walk around the neighborhood, every step brings you closer to your fitness goals. Now, let's discuss strategies for effective walking for fat loss. Embarking on a walking regimen for fat loss requires more than just putting one foot in front of the other. To maximize results, it's essential to implement strategic approaches that optimize calorie burn and promote body recomposition. Here are some key strategies to make your walking routine more effective and enjoyable. 1. Set goals and track progress. Define clear, Achievable goals for your walking journey, whether it's a certain number of steps per day, distance covered, or duration of walks. Tracking your progress using a fitness app or journal can help you stay motivated and monitor your improvement over time. 2. Incorporate walking into daily routines. Look for opportunities to add more steps to your day, such as walking to work, taking the stairs instead of the elevator, or going for a walk during your lunch break. By integrating walking into your daily activities, you can effortlessly increase your overall activity level and calorie expenditure. 3. Utilize interval training techniques. Incorporating intervals of higher intensity into your walks can enhance calorie burn and boost metabolism. Try alternating between periods of brisk walking and slower-paced recovery intervals to challenge your body and maximize fat loss. 4. Add variety to walking routines. Keep your walking routine interesting and engaging by exploring different routes, terrains, and environments. Whether it's a scenic nature trail, urban cityscape, or treadmill workout at the gym, mixing up your walking routine prevents boredom and keeps your body guessing. 5. Importance of proper footwear and posture. Invest in a good pair of walking shoes that provide support and cushioning to protect your feet and joints. Additionally, maintain proper posture while walking by keeping your head up, shoulders back, and engaging your core muscles. This not only reduces the risk of injury but also maximizes the effectiveness of your walks by engaging more muscles. By implementing these strategies, you can elevate your walking routine from a leisurely stroll to an effective fat-burning workout. With dedication, consistency, and a bit of creativity, walking can become your secret weapon for achieving fat loss and body recomposition. So, lace up your shoes and step into a healthier, fitter you. Let's talk nutrition for optimal fat loss and body recomposition. While walking is a powerful tool for fat loss and body recomposition, it's essential to complement your efforts with proper nutrition. Fueling your body with the right nutrients can enhance your walking performance, support muscle growth, and maximize fat loss. Here's how to optimize your nutrition for optimal results. 1. Importance of a balanced diet. Focus on consuming a balanced diet that includes a variety of nutrient-dense foods such as fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, whole grains, and healthy fats. Aim to fill your plate with colorful, whole foods that provide essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants to support overall health and energy levels. 2. Nutritional considerations for walkers. Pre-walk fueling. Eat a small snack containing carbohydrates and protein before your walk to provide energy and prevent fatigue. Good options include a banana with nut butter, yogurt with fruit, or whole grain toast with avocado. Post-walk recovery. Refuel your body with a balanced meal or snack containing carbohydrates and protein within 30 minutes to an hour after your walk to replenish glycogen stores and support muscle repair and recovery. Try a smoothie with protein powder, a turkey sandwich on whole grain bread, or a chicken stir-fry with vegetables and brown rice. Hydration. Drink plenty of water before, during, and after your walks to stay hydrated and maintain optimal performance. Aim to consume at least 8-10 glasses of water per day, or more if you're walking in hot or humid conditions. 3. Role of protein. Protein is essential for muscle repair, growth, and maintenance, making it a crucial component of a walker's diet. Include lean sources of protein such as chicken, fish, tofu, beans, and lentils in your meals to support muscle recovery and promote fat loss. By prioritizing nutrition alongside your walking routine, you can optimize your body's ability to burn fat, build muscle, and achieve your fitness goals. Remember to listen to your body's hunger and fullness cues, and make choices that nourish and fuel your active lifestyle. With the right combination of walking and nutrition, you'll be well on your way to a healthier, stronger, and leaner you. How we can start overcoming common obstacles. While walking offers numerous benefits for fat loss and body recomposition, it's not without its challenges. From busy schedules to lack of motivation, there are common obstacles that may hinder your walking routine. Here's how to overcome them. 1. Time constraints. If finding time for walks is a struggle, break your walks into shorter, more manageable sessions throughout the day. Even 10 minutes of brisk walking can make a difference in your calorie burn and overall fitness. 2. Motivation and accountability. Find a walking buddy or join a walking group to stay motivated and accountable. Having someone to walk with can make exercise more enjoyable and increase your commitment to sticking with your routine. 3. Weather and environmental factors. Don't let rain, snow, or extreme temperatures derail your walking plans. Invest in appropriate gear, such as waterproof clothing or a treadmill for indoor walking, to make it easier to stay active regardless of the weather. Remember, consistency is key when it comes to seeing results from your walking routine. By identifying and addressing common obstacles, you can overcome barriers and stay on track towards achieving your fat loss and body recomposition goals. With determination and perseverance, you can turn walking into a sustainable and enjoyable habit that leads to lasting health and wellness. In conclusion, walking is not just a leisurely activity but a potent tool for achieving fat loss, body recomposition, and overall health. By incorporating strategic approaches, prioritizing nutrition, and overcoming common obstacles, you can harness the power of walking to transform your body and life. So, lace up your shoes, set your goals, and take that first step towards a healthier, fitter you. Remember, every walk brings you closer to your fitness goals and a brighter, more vibrant future. Start walking today and embrace the journey towards a happier, healthier lifestyle.